Hi, my name is Jagdeep Chadha. I'm current coach of the Under-11s Rugby Town Wolves, Rugby Borough Wolves. Today we had a game against Firefighters at home. The game went really well. We struggled to play out from the back, which is what we're continuing to work on in training, and we'll pursue that. Great assists from Javier today, great goals from Joel and Jalen. Unlucky in defeat. Williams played the best I've ever seen him play. We shall continue to work on the good things that we work on in training. And many thanks to all parents, family and friends for attending, and our sponsors from Ashby Fields Dental Centre. Bye.